everyone and welcome back. And I've discontinued YouTube since it's more than a year or two. So I was thinking I should add one video this Diwali, like a decoration item video. So let's see what we got here. So first thing first, like the things which I will require to make this is three clay diyas, like of different sizes, one big, medium, a little small, and some poster colors, a pencil to draw the patterns, one glue to stick the mirrors, brushes, and a palette. So to start off, I should make some patterns over here. So I'm thinking of drawing lotus petals. Like it would go really well with that. So let's take some inspiration, I guess. I'm thinking of doing the pattern both inside and outside. I guess it will look good. Like it will be kept like this. No, I'm thinking just let's do it right here. And here we'll do some like the stems and all. It will be fine. See what I got here. While I'm busy making this, look at this gentleman. Oh, look at him. Like when I started this channel, he was a puppy, like 1 month old puppy. Now look at him. He's 2 years old now. Oh shit! I've been on a break for too long, I guess. Go. Now I'm done with all of them. Like, look at the patterns. I did 3 lotuses on these, and then I'm thinking of some another pattern and look for some info to do it on the outside. Now it's time to paint them, so I'll be using white colors all over. Then I'll be painting again with the colors I wanted to be. Now I just realized पहले से पैटर्न ही बनाना था. ओके कोई नहीं चलता है. Now it's time to paint them, so I'll be using white colors all over. Then I'll be painting again with the colors I wanted to be. I'm done with painting all of it. Like I painted this little light blue, yellow and orange. So now I'll be painting the patterns inside. And like I'm done with making patterns, now I'll fill the colors in the patterns. Like I'll do a little darker color in there. So while I make the stems and the petals and all those, sorry, not the petals, the leaves, I'll show it again. I'm done with the petals. Like look at these, yaar. OMG. And now after a while I'll do the leaves and stems over here and I'll show you the results. Right now I've done the leaf patterns too. So now I'll be doing the borders. First I'll show you how I did it. See. These look pretty good, TBH. So I'm done with the patterns, like I've done all the green work and see it's looking so good. I did lotus and its stems, leaves. I did some patterns. I left some space over here because I'll be sticking the mirrors right here. So I'll be doing the mirrors after it all is like dried up now. I did a mistake. Like I made circles for the mirrors and I realized after that the circles which I bought was triangle. So I had to overcome with it, like see. I had to use the triangles and the circles only, like it would look something different. It would look something different. Like I'm all done. I will let this dry first and then after drying I will show you the results then. Guys, it's done and like I'll show you the results right now. Like the glue has almost dried up and I'll leave it till like Diwali mein kaam aane wala hai na. So I'll show you the results. Okay, let me flip this over. Look at these. Oh my god. Like honestly, they look really good. Like oh my god. It turned out really well. Let's just like it, how I thought it would be. Proud of myself. So I'll see you in the next video. Like I'll probably add it. Like I'm thinking of adding a video or a vlog sort of. If you want a vlog, please like this video a lot. Like I will add a vlog if you want. If you don't, I will not. I'm not that. I'm not gonna be really regular. I'm actually adding this after so a long time. After so long, like after 2 years, 2 whole years, I'm adding these videos. So I was thinking, if possible, I will add some new videos, and most probably I will not. I'll procrastinate. I don't have any ideas too. So, so keep watching. Visit my other old videos too. They are not as good as this one, but still, do watch them too.